Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rubber grommets is probably one of the most overlooked components in any wiring project, but choosing the right ones can mean the difference between a clean, professional-looking installation that's safe and reliable, and a messy, unreliable setup that's a potential fire hazard. In this video, we'll explore the key factors to consider when selecting rubber grommets for your wiring needs, helping you find the perfect fit for your project and ensuring a safe and effective installation. Number 5. ISPINNER Rubber Grommets. These grommets are made of high-quality rubber, ensuring durability and resistance to various elements. They're designed for long-lasting performance and reliable protection. This set includes 52 grommets in 6 different sizes to fit your various needs. You'll find the perfect fit for your cables and wires. All 52 grommets are neatly organized in a clear plastic case. This makes it easy to find the size you need quickly and efficiently. Installation is a breeze. Simply choose the right size, and it snaps right into place. No special tools are required. Protect your wires and cables from damage with these versatile grommets. They're ideal for electrical cabinets, boxes, and more, providing protection from dust and rain. These grommets offer superior protection against wear and tear, ensuring your cables and wires stay safe and secure. They're a smart choice for any project. What we like. It has a wide variety of sizes and a total of 52 pieces, ensuring you'll have the right grommet for any job. The clear plastic case keeps everything organized, saving you time searching for the correct size. If you need a comprehensive set for various projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These are great. I used 2 of them to seal the towel warmer wires through the bathroom's power outlet covers. They fit very tight, sealing the wire entrances. It has so many different sizes to meet and different holes to pull different cables through the correct size. Was pleasantly surprised by the quality of the grommets, they far exceeded my expectations. Number 4. 180 Pcs Rubber Grommets Kit. This comprehensive kit provides a wide variety of sizes to suit your needs. It's perfect for various applications, from automotive repairs to home projects. With 8 different sizes included, you'll always have the right grommet on hand. No more searching through disorganized parts. These grommets are made from durable, flexible rubber that resists high temperatures, corrosion, and electricity. They are built to last. Designed for ease of use, these grommets install quickly and easily. Achieve a clean, professional finish on any project. The kit comes in a compact, organized box with compartments for each size. This saves you time and keeps everything neat. From automotive work to home electronics, these grommets are versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. They are the perfect solution for protecting wires and cables. What we like. This kit boasts 180 grommets in 8 different sizes, providing maximum versatility for all your projects. The grommets are designed for easy one-sided installation, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a large quantity and easy installation, this is the kit for you. What people say. Great variety of grommets. No issues fitting them in the firewall holes on my old Willis Jeep. They cut fine and are easy to cut the center to allow for various size wires and cables. Fit was fine, no issues with any so far. The rubber grommets in this kit are made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. The rubber construction offers excellent resistance to wear, tear, and exposure to various elements, making them suitable for both automotive and hardware repair tasks. I've used lots of grommets over the years and I have to say these are the best I've used. They are very soft and pliable, making them very easy to insert, and they form nicely to the holes. Holes for wires are easy to cut if you bend them in half and use a wire cutter to make a cut. Number 3. 63 Pcs Rubber Grommet Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your grommet needs. It's perfect for protecting wires and cables in various applications. Made from high-quality rubber, it's elastic, wear-resistant, and designed to withstand harsh conditions. They offer excellent cushioning and shock absorption. With 6 different sizes included, you'll find the perfect fit for any project. Sizes range from 5/8 to 1/1/2. These grommets offer double-sided protection, guarding your cables from damage. They're also resistant to aging, pressure, and high temperatures. The kit comes in a clear, organized storage box, making it easy to find the size you need. This keeps everything neat and accessible. They are ideal for protecting wires in electrical appliances, cabinets, and more. It prevents scratches and keeps your wires organized. What we like. This kit offers a good selection of sizes in a convenient, organized box for easy access. The grommets are durable and provide excellent protection for your wires. If you need a reliable and well-organized set, this is a great option. What people say. Just what I needed for the firewall in my restored 1960 Impala. Perfect fit for my Forest River travel trailer frame, had some issues with rats nesting in the void under the trailer, these sealed up the holes perfectly. These 7/8 grommets fit a 1/2 trade size knockout in electrical boxes and equipment. I purchased them to use with single-gang utility handy boxes as junction boxes for low-voltage electronics projects. A good clean fit without bulky steel connectors while protecting the cable insulation from damage against a bare opening. Number 2. Round Rubber Plug Kit. Tired of messy wires and damaged cables? This kit provides a complete solution for protecting your cables and keeping your vehicle organized. It comes with 7 different sizes of rubber grommets, ensuring a perfect fit for all your cables and wires. No more struggling with ill-fitting plugs. Each grommet features a double-sided design, providing superior protection against dust, moisture, and other elements. This ensures long-lasting performance. Easily cut and trim cables to the perfect length with the included retractable box knife. It's a handy tool that's always at your fingertips. This comprehensive kit includes 52 pieces, providing ample grommets for all your automotive needs. Keep your vehicle's wiring neat and protected. Simply select the appropriate size grommet, insert it into the hole, and you're done. It's a quick and easy way to protect your cables. What we like. This kit comes with a retractable box knife for easy installation, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. It offers a good selection of sizes to meet your needs. If you value convenience and ease of use, this kit is for you. What people say. Purchased these for a bathe project I was working on to snake a power cord through the countertop. These worked well and I was happy with the result. Great niche purchase. Finally, a set of grommets that's good for plastic electrical boxes. The previous set of grommets I got only fit a super thin wall thickness, only good enough FOT sheet metal electrical boxes. Just measuring with my calipers, it looks this grommet set is fine for a wall thickness of between 1/10 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch. Great, different sizes helped me out a lot. Had to drill different size holes and these worked perfectly. Number 1. ECUDIS Rubber Grommets. These grommets offer superior protection for your wires and cables. They're made from durable rubber for long-lasting performance. With a 1 to 3/16 inside diameter and 1 to 1/2 drill hole size, it ensures a snug fit for your applications. They're designed for easy installation. Made from high-quality rubber, it provides excellent flexibility, aging resistance, and insulation. It's built to withstand tough conditions. These grommets are dust-proof, flame-retardant, and protect wires from metal friction. They provide a secure and reliable seal. Use them to run wires through frames, firewalls, sheet metal, and more. They're perfect for various applications. Your purchase includes 8 pieces of these versatile rubber grommets, ready to meet your needs. Get yours today. What we like. These grommets are made of high-quality rubber, providing strong insulation and protection for your wires. They are ideal for applications requiring a single, specific size. If you need a small quantity of high-quality grommets, this is a great choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.